Hey guys, what is going on? So I kind of wanted to do a quick recap of the past week and some things that we did on the channel for all of our subs to give you a kind of a heads up. A couple weeks ago, New Air reached out to us and sent me a portable ice cube maker. The thing's pretty cool. I've gotten some product along the way here from different companies, but I'm pretty excited about this one because I'm a guy at the end of the day. That likes some ice cubes and a cold drink or something like that if you've been working hard all day. And the thing's kind of neat. So definitely don't forget to check out the product review video of that. There's an unboxing video on it too. And check it out. It's a cool portable ice cube maker that you can put on your counter. It's about this big. You can bring it on a boat. You can bring it to an RV, which I'll totally do this summer because we're always hanging out at the deck on the deck at the trailer. We'll go four-wheeling. We'll do about 100 miles a day out on the ATVs up in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. We come back to the campsite and you just want to get clean, start a campfire, get some ice cubes, and make a drink out on the deck and just relax. So that thing's kind of neat. So another video I did this week. It's a video that's called ATVs that I grew up riding as a kid, and in this video, it's the one that's behind me on the TV. We talk about different four-wheelers that I had as a kid growing up. I've been riding since I was 10 years old, heavily into ATVs, and when I started riding ATVs, the ATVs of the 80s were like the muscle cars of ATVs. We had quad racer 500s, we had Takati 4s, we had Honda 250Rs. Those are unbelievable, real fast stuff. Back in the day, you couldn't really beat that sound of that two-stroke motor and the snap of the power band. But some of the stuff that was coming out back then was really crazy. You went from riding like a three-wheel ATC to all of a sudden this stuff got unleashed, in around 86. So kind of talk about that stuff, my experiences with it. Check out that video. It's pretty cool. So I also did an unboxing video that's on the screen behind me of this portable Syntec battery booster jump pack that's next to me right here. So we did an unboxing video on that this week, and also like a quick product review, show you all the ins and outs about it, how the product works, and a little bit about it. So definitely check out those two videos as well. I'll put all the links to those videos we did this week in the description of this video, and let's answer some comments you guys had. So we'll try something new. We'll kind of go through some of the comments this week, and I'll reply back to some of them that you guys have asked. And we got a bunch of subscribers on the channel that are pretty repetitive. They ask different things every week. One of them is Pat Ficara. Sorry if I pronounced your last name wrong, up in Canada, Quebec. But he said, "Hey, Homeowner Repair, if you do a video tomorrow, can you give me a shout out for making you do the video?" He watched our unboxing video, the New Air portable ice maker that I just told you about. So Pat, here's your big chance. You're on the tube, so here's your shout out. You made it, you're famous. But Pat was also asking us to do like a video log the next time we go up to Berlin. And I had gone up there last year a couple of times to check out the trails, kind of get a little familiar with the trail system. It's changing quite a bit. They've added some new trails, they got a little bit bigger. So we'll try to do that this summer for you guys. We'll do like some stops along the way and kind of log like where we were at and stuff like that. We've got some plans to go up there and have a little bit of fun with it. So I did this video a little while ago about how to check the power steering fluid level in your Ford Expedition. So in this video, I say power steering fluid about 5,000 times. There's one spot in the video where I say go to the auto parts store and get some brake fluid. I misspoke, and it's the end of the world to some people. So don't put anything in there but power steering fluid. It was hot summer day when I did the video, and when you're doing these videos, you got a lot going on. You want to know what you're gonna say next. You try not to screw something up. But yeah, I misspoke once in the video. Thanks for letting me know. But definitely only put power steering fluid in the power steering fluid. And it's alright. I can use a good jab once in a while too, but no one's perfect, right? So I did a video a little while ago how to replace a brake light switch in an Expedition. It's a common thing to fail on these trucks. Had mine fail, so I did a video on it. So somebody by the name of Spurs fan, bleep Lakers, I can't see the rest of the name, he said, "Thank you so much for this video. You saved my marriage." I'm glad we could save your marriage for you. Of the video that we did, we did help you guys out. So if it helped you get out of a jam, that's cool. But Yeah, I like the comments on here. I get a good laugh out of some of them. You know, I put the majority of them up there. Some of them we can't for certain reasons, but that was pretty funny. I got a good laugh at it. I had another guy by the name of Les Collins watch our puddle light video. In this video, I show you how to replace the puddle light on an 03 to a 17 Ford Expedition, and he asked how you change, I think, the light bulb. I think you may be referring to the turn signal light. That's the amber one. But if you're referring to the puddle light, that's the whole assembly. You replace the whole assembly as I show you how to do in this video. It's pretty easy to do. So, but if not, leave a comment back and I'll reply back to try to help you out. And sometimes those turn signals that come out of there, usually there's a little tab in there, but I'll see if it's a serviceable piece on that mirror if that's what you're referring to. So that's it for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed the comments and stuff like that. See what's going on. You know, if you have any questions, leave us some questions and comments. We'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. We'll keep doing stuff like this. Thanks for watching.